subscribe and press this bell icon to never miss another lecture video. Welcome to GATE ESE lecture. We are in lecture number 29 of signals and system, and here we are going to discuss about, in continuous time system, we are going to discuss about time invariant and time variant system. Time variant and time invariant system. Basically, what is a time variant? A system. Actually, this is, please have a clarity in your mind. This is all about, so here we are discussing about classification of continuous time systems. System. It's not signals. So what we are going to do, what we are actually doing here, listen to this carefully. There is a system, and whatever thing that we are providing, that is signals you are providing. What we have studied in signal wala module mein, we used to do classification of this signal, but here we are doing classification of this system. What are the kind of systems are there? Please have a crystal clear clarity on this thing before proceeding for the classification of systems. So now we will do for continuous time systems, then we'll do for the discrete time systems. Now in continuous time system, there are different kind of classification. There is different way through which that we are doing the classification of our systems. So one of the classification is time variant and time invariant. Matlab, what does that mean? That means a system, there must be a system which changes its behavior and its property with the variation of time. Matlab 1 second mein its behavior is something else, and second after, like at 5th second its behavior like something else. Okay, in 1 second it behavior like something else, and at 5th second is behavior. So it is time variant system. But time invariant is whatever time you take, whether you take 2 seconds, whether you take 3 seconds, or if you take t, any time interval, it will give you the same result, the same kind of property it will possess. That is time invariant, because it is not varying with the time. Now coming back to the questions that might ask in GATE and engineering service exams, they're going to give you a lot of kind of questions, and they'll ask you like, you know, to find out whether it is a time variant or time invariant, or it's not a time invariant. Find out whether this system is a time variant or time invariant. So usko nikalne ke liye I'm going to give you a formula. You need to put this formula and you can get whether it is a time variant or time invariant. What you need to do, you need to take your input signal and put it to and give it to a delay system. That means you are delaying your signal, and after that you apply to your system, the system that is on the testing. This is the system that you are testing. No, this green system is your testing system. We are testing for the system whether it is a time variant or time invariant. So first delay your input and then give the system, or check the output, or take your input signal, give it to your system and delay it, and then check the output. Now what we are doing here, and we need to check the y1 is equals to y2 or not. If y1 is equals to y2, then time is invariant. So it is a time invariant system. Now what does this mean? This means a very simple thing. Listen to this carefully. We are changing the position of the delay unit. That means we are seeing ki even if we are delaying the signal, whether it is before it getting as an input to the system, or after it is getting out from the system, whatever the position of the delay function would be, what is the output that we are getting in the final case? Agar hame same mil raha hai, then that will be your time invariant. Okay, you'll understand through a lot of examples. We're going to solve a lot of examples. Okay, now for now, as I'm going to solve, now look here. For example, this is our first question, y of t equals to 2 into t into xt. Now I'm going to solve this equation. So I'm going to draw this again in another. So this is your xt that will be given. Okay, so what we are going to do, this is your system. Okay, so what we are going to do here okay, let me clean it properly. So what we are going to do, I'm going to give each and every input. Like first we'll do the testing for this input. We'll see whether this system, that means what does this question means actually. Listen to this carefully, there is a lot of confusion happens here. This question is saying I am giving a input xt. By giving a input xt, this question says there is this system is there, by giving input xt, listen to this carefully, I'm getting an output 2 into t into xt. Okay, this question means this only. So what you need to do is test whether this system is time variant or time invariant. Clear? Now what I'm going to do, I'm not going to give directly to the input to the system. I'm going to place a delay unit before giving it. So if I replace a delay unit, so delay unit replace करने से delay का output कैसा आएगा, delay का output सर x of t minus m आएगा सर. m मतलब whatever the unit of the delay would be. So I'm taking a t minus m. Okay, so t minus m आएगा. फिर उसके बाद आप you are giving to the main what is your main system. Now system produces, if you give xt to the system is producing 2t xt. Now definitely the system will going to produce how much, 2t x of t minus m. Clear? When you are giving this system का property ये है, system का property है, whenever you are giving x of t, it is producing 2t into xt. सर यहाँ पे t minus m into x of t minus m क्यों नहीं हुआ? कैसे हो सकता है? Because it is not a delay unit. It is not depending on the variation of time. Listen to this carefully. You are giving x of t and you are getting 2t into x of t. That means you are getting here some multiplication factor into x of t. Clear? So that means whatever the you are getting in output 2t into x of t. Listen to this carefully, okay? So whenever you are applying x of t, in answer you are getting x of t but multiplied with some factor. Okay, that is what is happening. It is as simple as that. Okay, but if you do in this way, first what you need to do, if in the second case what you are going to do, you are applying x of t and in the answer you are getting 2t, obviously 2t x of t. Here you will get you will get the output like this, and you are applying this signal to the delay unit. Now what is the work of delay unit? Delay unit actually shifted wherever the time expression will be, it shifts the time value. Okay, but it is not the behavior of a normal system. What is the normal system का काम क्या है? वो x of t देने से वो 2t नाम का एक चीज मल्टीप्लाई करके आपको वो इनपुट के साथ वो उतना मल्टीप्लाई करके वो देता है. क्लियर है ये कॉन्सेप्ट? सो एज वी कैन सी हियर दिस इज वैल्यू एंड दिस वैल्यू इज नॉट सेम, सो दिस इज टाइम variant. So what is this? So this is, let's see here, time variant. This is time variant. That means it is varying with the time, because it varies with the time and gives some value, agdam value, and it varies with time and gives some another agdam value. Clear your concept? Please have a clarity on this concept. Okay, I'll give you a shortcut at the end, but please have the normal method, because shortcut will not going to work everywhere. Clear hai? Now look, I'll take the second example. I'll discuss all the examples in front of you. Okay, I'll take the second example. Look here, the second example. It is saying y of t is equals to xt into sine 20 pi t. Now what does this mean? Listen to this carefully. It is a very funny question. Look. It is saying कि give me a yt. A system is saying, a system जिसने बोल रहा है कि मुझे कुछ x of t दो, मैं आपको एक आउटपुट में x of t दूंगा, बट उसके साथ एक sin 20 pi t मल्टीप्लाई होके होगा. ओके, sin 20 pi t will be multiplied with this expression. दिस इज द बिहेवियर ऑफ द सिस्टम, दिस इज द बिहेवियर ऑफ सिस्टम. अभी आप बोलोगे अगर आप इसको एक्स ऑफ टी माइनस एम दिया, आउटपुट में एक्स ऑफ टी माइनस एम आ जाएगा, उसमें साइन 20 पाई टी मल्टीप्लाई होके होगा. क्लियर? अब वो नहीं बोलोगे कि सर ये साइन 20 पाई टी माइनस एम होना चाहिए सर. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. इस सिस्टम का बिहेवियर यही है कि इफ़ यू आर गिविंग इट एक्स ऑफ टी, सो विथ द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्टर दैट इज साइन 20 पाई टी, it will give you xt into xt. So this is the behavior of this system. So you can see here clearly, if you put it in this function, in the output side you'll be getting clear, you'll be getting x of t minus m into sine of 20 pi t, and here you will get यहाँ पे नॉर्मली आपको पहले मिल जाएगा एक्स ऑफ टी इंटू साइन 20 पाई टी, ये आपको नॉर्मली मिल जाएगा. एंड डिले करने के बाद, डिले यूनिट का काम है जहाँ जहाँ टी है उसकी जगह पे डिले कर लो. एक्स ऑफ टी माइनस एम इंटू साइन 20 पाई टी माइनस एम. क्लियर है? So here you can see both are unequal, so this is a time variant. That means it is varying with the time. That is time variant. Clear? Clear है? उसी तरह now look here at this example. My dear friend, look at here. This is very important. Look here carefully. This is x of t square. सर मुझे लग रहा है टाइम इनवेरिएंट होगा. अरे देखो तो सही क्या होगा.